So I've decided to build a tiny house. Okay, here's what we got. I'm gonna put a surface down here. Probably some kind of filter fabric, waterproof fabric. Then lay this on top of it. Originally I was gonna have these laying the other way. I'm gonna lay it on this way. This will be a one whole surface down through here with no penetrations. This will be on top of it. Any piping, wiring, or anything that I need to run will go through any of these and run all the way through the trailer. And then the flooring will go on top of this. It's going to be probably 1/2 inch OSB with the shield on it. 2-inch foam board, and then another 1/2 inch OSB. And then we'll build on top of that. I think it's going to work out pretty good. But I'll keep you updated and keep you posted. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Corey's Homework. We do waterproofing, but we're going to build a tiny house too.